If you want to enter recovery mode on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just power off your tablet. Now to do that, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. Now in the control center, just tap on the power icon. And after you open the power menu, just select power off. Now after you completely power off your tablet, now for the next step, just press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time until you see the Samsung logo on the screen. Now just press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time until you see the Samsung logo on the screen. And after you see the Samsung logo on the screen, just release both of the buttons. Now as you can see, we have successfully entered into recovery mode. Now to navigate this screen, just press the volume down button or the volume up button to select any action from this list. And after you select your preferred action, for an example, I will select the reboot option, then press the power button to confirm the action. Just like that. And this is how you can enter into recovery mode on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.